In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create circle outline animation in Canva. We're going to make a simple animated circle effect using Canva's built-in tools, and the process is very beginner friendly. If you've never animated an element in Canva before, don't worry. This method is quick, clean, and great for presentations, social posts, intros, or any design where you want a polished motion effect. To get started, go to Canva and open the platform as you normally would. Once you're on the main Canva interface, look for the Create option and click on it. This will let you begin a fresh design where you can place and animate your elements. If needed, choose the design size that fits your project because the circle animation will work in almost any canvas format. After your new design is open, head over to the Elements panel. This is where Canva stores shapes, graphics, lines, icons, and other visual components you can add to your design. Since we're building a circle outline animation, Elements is the section you'll use to find the basic shape you need. In the search bar inside Elements, type circle. This helps narrow down the results so you can quickly locate the circular shape. You may see several options including filled circles, outline circles, and graphic variations. For this effect, choose the circle that best matches the outline style you want for your animation. Once you find the circle, click on it to add it to your canvas. After it appears in your design, you can position it wherever you want the animation to happen. At this stage, it's a good idea to make sure the circle is selected because the next setting applies directly to that element. With the circle selected, click on Animate. This opens Canva's animation options for the selected object. Animations in Canva can change the way an element enters, moves, or appears on screen, and this is what creates the circle outline effect you're looking for. From the list of animation styles, select Wipe. This animation makes the circle appear progressively, which creates a smooth outline reveal. It's a simple effect, but it works really well for clean and professional looking motion graphics. If you want the result to feel more intentional, preview the animation and check how the wipe follows the shape on screen. And that's it. You've created a circle outline animation in Canva using just a few steps. Once the effect looks right, you can continue customizing your design or export it for your video or presentation.